A particle is projected vertically upwards from a point O at 18 meters per second. Find the greatest height above O reached by the particle. So the 18 meters per second, because it's -1, is a speed or velocity. So a good idea when you're doing this problem is to draw a quick diagram of what's happening. So we've got the point O, a particle's going upwards, it will reach a greatest height and then come back down. At the initial point of projection, the initial speed is 18 meters per second. At the greatest height, the speed will be 0. And then what's acting against the particle will be gravity, which is 9.8. But if it's going downwards, we'll make it -9.8 because we're going to consider downwards as negative and upwards as positive. So using v squared minus u is equal to u squared plus 2as. We can use this because we've got a constant acceleration. This time the acceleration is -9.8 and substitute in. So at the greatest height, v squared is 0. Is equal to the initial velocity, which is 18 squared. 18, we have to square it, plus 2 times the acceleration, which is -9.8, times the height, s, which we need to find. S will give me the height here. Okay, so rearranging that, we're going to get 0 is equal to 324, 18 squared, minus 19.6, 2 times -9.8 s. If we take this over here, we're going to get 19.6 s is equal to 324. And then divide by 19.6, we're going to get that s is going to be 16.530. So, which is equal to, s is equal to 16.5 meters to 3 significant figures. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to find the greatest height of a particle which has been projected vertically upwards. So I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.